Close your eyes gently. Take a slow, deep breath and let it go. Now imagine yourself walking through a beautiful forest after a gentle rain. The air is cool, fresh, and filled with the calming scent of wet earth and green leaves. Soft raindrops fall from the tall trees, creating a peaceful melody as they touch the branches around you. Every step you take feels light. The soft grass beneath your feet welcomes you with warmth and comfort. A small stream flows nearby, its gentle sound washing away every worry and every heavy thought. A cool breeze brushes against your face, carrying the sweet fragrance of wild flowers hidden deep within the forest. You have nowhere to be, nothing to prove, no responsibilities. Only this peaceful moment belongs to you. With every breath, your body becomes more relaxed. Your shoulders grow lighter, your mind becomes quieter. Your heart feels calm and safe. As you continue walking, rays of golden sunlight slowly break through the clouds. The rain fades away, leaving tiny sparkling drops on every leaf. In front of you, a beautiful meadow appears, covered with countless white flowers dancing softly in the wind. You smile without even realizing it, because deep inside, you know everything is okay. You are safe. You are peaceful. You are exactly where you need to be. Take one more deep breath. Feel the calm filling every part of your body. And remember, whenever life becomes too loud, this magical forest will always be here, waiting for you to return. Slowly breathe in, slowly breathe out, and simply enjoy the silence.